to get on to the point where numbers are the language of the universe. So you've probably seen this. You've seen the all-seeing eye, right? And a lot of us relate that to the Illuminati, right? So this is supposed to be the Illuminati. I won't write it on there, but really, it's a spiritual symbol. And so what has happened is all of us come from the same source. And so what the people that are portraying the bad people are, and they're not really bad, and I'll get into that later, but they're playing the role of the bad guy, is they hijacked all our ancient symbolism, all the way back from ancient Egypt and even farther than that. They've hijacked it and used it as their symbols so that we associate it with something negative, right? So they're hiding it in plain sight. That's what that means. And that's an old military intelligence strategy where you hide the truth in plain sight. So by using this symbol, the all-seeing eye, and they're doing this in the movies and all the celebrities, they're making us subliminally register this as a negative symbol in our society that's related to people that do negative things, right? But what this really is, so everything is energy, frequency, and vibration. So you got energy or source, right? And then you got different types of energy. So if this is source energy on the top of the triangle, then we have, what types of energy do we have? Two types of energy. You have negative energy and positive energy. So you got positive and negative. Okay, so you got the energy source, then you got positive and negative. And so why is this important? Because like I said, not only is everything energy, frequency, and vibration, but the whole truth of our existence is to learn how to control energy. And so basically it's balance. We're trying to learn how to stay in balance no matter what kind of energy we come across. So if somebody comes across you and always pokes your buttons or pushes your red buttons, you need to learn how to control from within and not let something outside of you control your emotions, because your emotions are inside. So that's what we're here to learn. And we can't actually learn to control our energy and achieve our psychic abilities until we learn how to control our emotions. And so that's how society has learned how to control us and give us false narratives and false beliefs, because with all these electronical devices throwing off the frequencies in our brain and the frequencies in our body, and alcohol throwing the frequencies off and the chemical imbalances off in our brain, so we have cloudy judgment, radiation in all of our electronical devices, music, brainwashing us with the 440 hertz frequency. They use all these things so that it throws off our emotions so that we cannot correct them internally and don't react. Because if you were to push me and I got upset and I pushed you, that's a transfer in energy. I transferred negative energy back to you by pushing you back. But if you push me and I absorb it and I control from within, I control energy, and I don't react, I win because I'm in balance. Nothing outside of you bothers you anymore. And actually you start to accumulate more positive relationships and positive outcomes in your life.